Alright, if you've seen my other videos in this series, you've learned how to single crochet, how to double crochet, how to triple crochet, how to do a slip knot, how to do chains. Today I'm going to show you how to do the magic ring. So you're taking your yarn, and with the end you're going to hold it between your pinky and your thumb, and you're going to wrap it around your fingers like so. You're going to wrap it around, and then you're going to cross it over, bring it back down, and then tuck it in with that. Turn your hand and you'll have two stripes on this side and a cross on this side, or an X. So on this side you're going to take your hook and you're going to put it underneath the first stripe. You're going to go and grab this yarn, pull it under, keeping it on the hook. Twist your hook, and then this part can get tricky. This is the yarn that was on the left hand side, assuming you're using your own. So the yarn here, you're going to want to put that almost yarn over your hook and then pull that through. And then when you take your fingers out, you are left with this magic ring. You are left with this magic ring. So you have the tail end here, and when you pull the tail, it will close this ring. So when you pull this tail, it'll close this ring. So let me show you again how to do this. So you're going to take the yarn and you're going to hold it, your pinky and your thumb, and you're going to wrap it over your three fingers. You're going to cross it over so you have an X there. Bring this down and in here. Tuck it in between your pinky and your thumb. Turn your hand over, and in this loop, you're going to put your hook under, grab this loop, pull it through, keeping the yarn under it, twist it, and then you're going to want to put, okay, this is tricky because my hand is in the way, but you're going to want to put this outside yarn, kind of yarn over, and pull that through. Now this happens to me a lot where I can't pull it through because something's too tight. I just sort of hold it in my hand like this and manually put this bottom loop over the top of the hook, because that's what it would be doing if you were doing a stitch or whatever. Then take it out, and now it'll look like a mess, but you just sort of find that magic ring, put the tail end on this side, the opposite side that you're holding your hook in, and then take your yarn and chain one to secure that. Now you have your magic ring. So then how do you, if you were to do single crochets into your magic ring, you just put it inside the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, single crochet. So we go down into the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, single crochet. So I'm going to do just like 6 of these. So that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets, and now you'll find that tail end and when you pull it, it's going to close this ring. Then you find your first stitch and you, so I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I find my first stitch that I did, not the chain, just the first stitch I did, yarn over, and this is a slip stitch, so yarn over and just pull that through all the loops, and now you've got a little circle. So this is what you do when you're working in the round. You make a magic ring and then you start working it around. I hope that that made sense. Stay tuned for more tutorials on what this can be used for. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed these crochet basics. If you would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe, and a big thank you to anybody who has supported my channel. Thank you so much. If you'd like to support me, you can check out my Ko-fi page. The link is in the description under Buy Me A Kombucha. Thank you so much.